back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Alice and this is Alice Lifestyle. On this channel, I do videos about homemaking, lifestyle, and also faith videos. In today's video, I'm doing a lifestyle video. As you have seen the title of the video, it's a makeup and self-care haul. There are few things that I have collected recently, so I would like to show you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you are familiar with these products. This is my first time using this kind of products. Yeah, and I also leave the contacts of the person who sold me the products in the description box. So let's go into the video. I have this bag, yeah, of the products that I have collected recently. So that's what exactly I would like to show you guys. Okay, I'll start my products into two categories: the self-care products and makeup products. I'll start with the self-care products, then because they are not much, then I'll finish with makeup products. The first thing that I would like to show you that I have collected is this feminine wash. Yeah, it's very good. It's refreshing paradise, guys. Yeah, it's equate, as you can see. Let me know in the section if you have used this kind of product. Yeah, but it's 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 good. Let me say that it's good. Yeah. The other product that I would like to show you is this. The other thing that I would like to show you is this scrub. This is my very first time using this kind of scrub. I have been using this Glam and Glory for quite a long time, and this is my first time purchasing um, this kind of scrub. Yeah. The other thing that I would like to show you guys is this Hydro Boost X Floating Cleanser. I have been looking for a good cleanser, and it's for Neutrogena. Yeah, so I had a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers um placing Neutrogena. So this is my first time using this kind of product, so I'll see how it responds to according to my skin. Yeah, and the other thing that I would like to show you guys is this soap. I got this soap. It's Grey Essence tablet soap. I got together with a cream. This is the cream and this is the soap. Yeah, I used this is my first time using the cream, but this is my first time using the soap. So I'll see when I combine the two how it's going to work according to my skin. Yeah, I think that's all about the self-care products that I have collected. So let's move into a makeup product that I have used, that I have collected. Products that I have collected. The first thing that I would like to show you guys is this foundation. It's Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. Yeah, also this is my first time using this kind of foundation. I have been using this foundation for quite a long time. A girl foundation made, and I like it honestly. So I just changed it to this Super Stay Foundation. Yeah. The other foundation that I've collected is this Dreammate Moss. This is my second time also using this kind of foundation. It's good and I like it honestly. Yeah, this is my second bottle. very small, but it's good foundation. Yeah, and the other item that I have collected is this Maybelline Fit Me Rouge Powder. This is my first time using this kind of powder. Yeah, and as you can see, it's new. I haven't started it. I haven't opened it. Yeah, so I'm not sure whether it's going to work. Yeah, on me. Yeah, I pick it in. It's, oh, my eyes, I can't see. Is it 30? I pick it in number 30. Yeah. And the other item that I collected, this concealer, is Neutrogena concealer. This is also my first time using this kind of concealer. Yeah, and I have never tried it. Yeah. And please take note, I'm not a makeup artist, and I'm not into, I just love makeup. Yeah, but I'm not a makeup artist. So yeah. And the other item that I collected is this parrot, Eric Cars. Yeah. And the other item that I have collected is this lip liner pencil. This one is Super Stay. It's in color, you can see. And also this one is, okay, these two, the other item that I have collected is these two. This lip liner is Maybelline Super Stay. Yeah, and I have also collected this eyeliner. Yeah, and the last thing that I have collected is this collected. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me in the comment section if you have used some of these products, and tell me how it's working on your skin. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Let's interact in the comment section. Yeah, that's all guys that I wanted to share with you. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also share my videos with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends, let's be one. Yeah, see you in my next. Bye.